Good evening. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowekete lo. Buhlekazi. So decide nangisebenzisa ngithi. So decide ukwenza le video so late because nangisebenzisa. Ogogo bayangisebenzisa. So this perception, right, that communication between abantu abadala a spiritually gifted child or a chosen representative of a family is that through dreams or visions. You understand? So kuna this perception yokuthi ama-messages are through dreams, through visions, because you're a spiritually gifted person. Kanti no, it's not always the case. Why? Because abantu abaphiwanga ngokufana, and abanye abantu basese slow in terms of alignment yabo. You understand? Not slow per se, but abaka align kahle. Abanye abantu they are still not in tuned to hearing. Khona abanye abantu athi ngiyayizwa sound, ngiyezwa khona umuntu okhulumayo, but I can't make out the message. So abanye abantu they are still not in tuned to communication between them and their guides or them and their ancestors. And then abanye they're still not aligned within themselves. Understand ukuthi ba understand ama-messages nanani. So ngizokhuluma kakhulukazi ngama-messages ukuthi other forms of getting communication and messages from the underground gang, yabona, or your guides. So asiphiwa ngokufana, guys. It doesn't mean maungaphuphi you're not getting messages. It's just that you don't understand that you're getting messages ngendlela different. You must understand that channeling, when spirits channel, they channel differently. They try other ways of reaching you. Mababona ukuthi okay, lo muntu wethu akawa understand amaphupho, siyamphuphisa, siyaziveza izinto, but akasitholi ukuthi sikuphi. So they use other ways of communication with you, which is messages are different. So kunabantu, guys, who are gifted or who communicate or who get messages through number angels. I spoke about number angels. I made a video about number angels, but you get number angels, which is a pattern of numbers either being 11, 11, 111, about 21, 21, 31, 31. In most cases, you will get number angels either from your phone, I think, because when you get a number angel, what happens is a concentration yakho is moved to that number. You understand? Noma abe wenza something else, but then once kune message uzothola ukuthi now ifocus yakho idirectwa laphaya. Those are number angels. Kukhona abawathola through phone, khona abawathola through cards. Umuntu adobhe ngamakhadi, njalo ngihlala ngidobhana namakhadi are different. I don't understand what they mean. Omunye awathole through coins. I remember I made a video and I said, funda ama-coins. Ama-coins ane-date, ane-number, ane-year le yenziwe ngayo nani. Those are number angels. And then uthola ukuthi omunye abanye they get ama-messages through billboards, but they're not aware ukuthi it's a message for that day or it's communication for that day. It's channeling. So kuya ngokuthi you need to understand how you read number angels as well, because they give you a message of that of an event or into efanele kuyenzeke, into efanele kuyilandele, or either being a warning or but it's a message communicated or channeled by your guides or your ancestors. And then kube khona abantu who get the communication and messages through ancestral signs. Uh, yeah, sorry, I was distracted a bit. Ube khona abantu abathola ama-messages through ama-ancestral signs. Guys, ama-ancestral signs maningi. Ama-ancestral signs maningi. You just have to understand ukuthi le sign isho ukuthini, le sign ingidirector kuphi, le sign ingona kuphi, ngikuyiphi phase of my life and what's going on in my life. So le sign isho ukuthini ngami, right? Why I was distracted is that ngizobuyela back, guys. Sorry ukuthatha short i-topic, but ngizobuyela back to ama one-on-one sessions, ama live wami when I was doing ama Thursday sessions one-on-one soon. So you can actually, I post them an hour or a morning before ngizowayenza, and then ukuthi abantu bajoyine in so that we can have ama one-on-one sessions where you can ask questions or tell me on based on the particular topic of the day or a dream. So that's when I get to help you with dreams as well, but not it's not a consultation. I help you, but it's not, because abanye abantu want a dialogue. You understand? So yeah, so ngizobuyela back to ama Thursday sessions wami very soon. I will let you know mase ngizobuyela. So yeah, back to ancestral signs. So you get ama-ancestral signs in different forms and in different ways. Kukhona ukuthi guys uzithole asithi out of the blue, when une-problem yokuthi mhlambe yazi nginalesi isicathulo sami njalo nje sihlale sidabuka, and kudabuka the same ngathi kudabuka isayidi eli-one. So njalo iy'cathulo zami zaka-left zinenkinga, ziyadabuka, zilento njalo nje bangithe isicathulo esizomosheke saka-left. Omunye athi yazi bengimile nje and all of a sudden angazi ukuthi ngithole kanhlangane kanjani nomlilo kwashiya impahla. You must also understand ukuthi guys, bent or torn clothes is a sign yokuthi i-phase ozoba kuyo empilweni izoba difficult. You're going to struggle financially. You understand? So I always like suggest. I remember when I was going to go through a phase of being sick, the first thing kwashiskipha ngiyimele nje, and then I realized ukuthi something is coming and it's not something very light. And then falling, umuntu omdala guys akawi, umuntu omdala akawi. When you reach the age where from 32, asithi 32 33, once sekuwama signs of something, sekuyi-message, umuntu omdala akawi guys. It's unlikely ukuthi uvele uwe nje esikhaleni. It's a sign of something coming. Animal sounds. Now I made a video and I said abantu ababe careful of animal sound. Yabona with animal sound, that's where your gift of discernment comes in. You need to understand ama sound owalalelayo. Is it a negative or a positive sound? Because ama animals angithi we know ukuthi awafani. You understand? Awafani. Khona ama animals asetshenziswayo, then khona ama animals that come through as your spiritual animal, and then kukhona ama animals that pass messages, right? And in terms of animal sounds as well, you also have to look at the time in which this, because usually with animal sound there's a pattern that they do. If mhlambe akhala njalo ngesikhathi esithize, then you need to ukuthi ngathini, take note of the time nokuthi khala nini kanjani kuphi, You understand? You take note of that because those are messages as well. Either it being a negative message or a positive message. There lapho kusebenza discernment. Certain types of people. Some messages comes through abantu obamithayo. Kukhona abantu njalo wena in a day nge-specific time or kanjani uzohlangabezana either an old person or attractor either an old person, a sick person, mhlambe umuntu who's disabled nani, but it's a pattern to you. You know ukuthi every day fanele kube nalo muntu olibavela. Those are messages. You need to be in tune in understanding what your guides are saying. And sometimes abanye abantu bamithayo tell you exactly where your gift is or exactly where you are with your guides or who your guides are. Abanye abantu like messages come ngaleyo ndlela yabanye abantu. As I so akuzu when you get messages akuzukufana guys all the time. Akuzukuba ukuthi wena you're not limited to dreams only. You're not limited to dreams only. Abanye abantu with animals as well is that there's a particular pattern that you have where uzothola ukuthi yazi mina mangihleli ngaphandle. I remember I did a video also about this. Inyoni zenza kanje. I think at some point I even said to another medium ngathi nami seyangiqaka lento ukuthi ngathi ngiya understand ukuthi ama animals athini, like it's weird that you understand what's happening. You understand? So being a shaman is not for the faint-hearted, but yeah, being a shaman and a medium at the same time is not for the faint-hearted. So you go through ama messages akho aza, especially I understand with shamanism ama messages wami eza mani ngezinto ezi like on a daily basis. Ama signs are different. It's interesting, but we'll talk about shamanism another time because shamanism is another form of healing, a complex for other people to understand. So yeah, and then there's animals, guys, that send messages or that are there for messages, especially with ama ants. Nithini konje? Ama ants, intuthwane, ama worms, your centipedes, your bathini konje intethe nani. Kunama animals that are passing messages. Kunama like your cricket, lento ipidipidi. Kunama animals that are specifically for messages at a certain point in your life, a certain time. You just need to be in tune in understanding ukuthi okay, mase zenza kanje zenza kanjani, mase zenza kanje zenza kanjani. What is the meaning of this? You understand? I had a client lo benginokuba naye every time mangiyosebenzela loya muntu kuzoqhamuka inje emnyama. I ended up saying angithandi lesimo you understand, because you understand the message, you understand what's going on. So also with animals, it's always about using your discernment and understanding ukuthi sikuphi ikuyiphi space. And then there's body feeling. Guys, kulama messages that we get throughout the day with body feeling. Omunye umuntu uthole for some reason nje for a short period of time uyaqhaqhazela, ufeel amakhaza enyaweni, shivers in your spine, cold in your spine, amahlombe, tingling, izandla zithingile njena, izandla move and do a particular movement. Your ears laphezulu. With body feeling, it's something that lasts for seconds. It's not and sometimes, guys, you get whisperers. They are guides and ancestors that channel through whisperers. Whisperers ukuthi yabona lento le uzwe ngathi khona mhlambe kudlula umoya ngathi khona umuntu okuhlebelayo. Kuhlukile kithi sonke. You understand? Kuhlukile kithi sonke. Akufani. And then yeah. So akusuka ukuthi ama messages uzowathola ngale ndlela wena ucabanga ukuthi fanele kwathole ngayo just because you are chosen representative of a family or we are a spiritually gifted child. Kuya nge-level of lento yakho ukuthi so kuphi in terms of your initiation, your training, your understanding of your gift, your journey. Yeah, asisho kanjalo your journey. Kuya ngokuthi so kuphi naleyo nto leyo. Even with kids, guys, you get messages through kids. Uthole for instance, kunalo mntwana lo who always comes to your place. Afike, there's a video that I wanna make where identify ukuthi you must identify presence yama ancestors ukuthi ezinye izinto zibona kanjani, right? Ubona ngani? Khona umuntu ofika ahlale nje afika ahlale mhlawumbe umntwana afika ngena ahlale ejardini adlala aphuma ahambe. Kukhona isilwane mhlambe inja ingene ihlale ine spot where mhlambe bekuhlala ugogo wakho or umkhulu wakho or whoever ongasekho bese ayaphuma. You understand? There's always messages. It's just a matter of being in tune and understanding ukuthi kwenzakalani at that moment. Understand? Wena into ongayibona mhlambe omunye umuntu into angayibona ifani or into lento weird, thina spiritually gifted people siyibona differently. Kunale enye ke yenziwa ama-ancestors guys when sending messages and showing their presence, especially le yokuphuka kwezinto endlini. Wena consistently fanele kufixe ipipe elithize, ipipe eli-1 awusazi nokuthi liphulwa yini but njalo nje elinye liyayihlukanela fanele ukuhlala ulihlanganisa everyday kuseni. Abanye ama-toilet where iyaflasha nje ikusukela esikhaleni uthole kunokuvuza awazi ukuthi kuqale kuphi kanjani nini. You understand? Sometimes it's a matter of them lendo sending i-message yokuthi sikhona. Yabona? Uzothola you don't even know ukuthi why lesitulo njalo mhlambe abanye abantu banezitulo ngaphandle or mhlambe izinto zokwenza ingadi nani uzoyithola ku spot esi1 njalo awazi emuva yobani uyayiqoqa uyibeke uyenze uyithole kodwa uzoyithola ngaphandle ku spot esi. So there's many ways guys and it's just a matter of being in tune and understanding. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Next time ngizozama ukuthi singene kuma messages amaphupho. Singene not kuma messages per se but amaphupho ukuthi amaphupho omuntu kunamaphupho ekungafanelanga ukuthi siwa alawe. You understand? And that is also part of a spiritual awakening where your spirit knows what to allow through dreams. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.